What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having an awesome day today. Usually this is my Friday because I work 410s, but like you might have seen in one of my previous videos, we went to 610s, so that's why I've been slacking on the video production. But I got home with like 10 to 15 minutes left of daylight, so I was like, I gotta make you all a video. It's been like 4 or 5 days, and I've been getting a lot of views on a couple videos that I got a lot of new subscribers from. So thanks so much for all you new folks that came over here and subscribed to me. Take the time to watch our videos. I'm out here at the chicken coop. If you can hear them over here. I'm out here at the chicken coop because I want to show you all something. I got something living out here in the field. I gotta go find it. I got a big old hole, and I want to know what you guys think. What kind of creature is living in this hole? Now I've had several things attempt to get into the chicken coop. Gabby's caught a possum. She's actually eating some eggs down there right now. There were some eggs. She's caught a possum out here before. But this is a pretty big hole, so I want to show you guys. I want you to give your opinion on what kind of creature is living in this hole, and then probably maybe Sunday or this weekend sometime, if I can get a chance, I'm going to teach one of my daughters, or maybe both of them, how to set a live trap to try to catch this thing. I don't know what it is. I like to find out what it is, but you all tell me down in the comment section below what you think's in this hole, if I can go find it. But before I get to that, I have a special shout out to a buddy of Daniel's, Arms Family Homestead. He has a friend, a coworker he works with that started a new YouTube channel. His name's Brian, and him and Daniel have been working together for quite a while. And if you hear the way Daniel says it, Daniel has really taught Brian everything that he knows. Kind of took him under his wing, mentor him, because Daniel's a highway patrolman, and so is Brian. So Brian has learned everything from Daniel, from homesteading to shooting guns, all that stuff. It's all because of Daniel. No, but while I'm here today, I've got to show you all something. He took the time. First of all, his YouTube channel is called Smokey's CNC Woodworks, and he makes some awesome signs. He made this machine that he could program to pretty much make anything on a sign. And let me show you that sign that he got. I was supposed to meet up with him whenever I was at Daniel's house hunting. I got it back behind me, but we just didn't get to meet up, and he mailed it to me. Man, thanks a lot, Brian, for mailing this to me. I know it took time and money, and I really do appreciate it. And you all wait till you see this sign. Check this out. It's right off my t-shirt. I wish I had my t-shirt on, but I just got off work and I didn't work today. But this came off my t-shirt. Check that out. How awesome is this sign? It's the few, the proud, the homesteaders. A lot of y'all may not know, but I was a Marine, or am a Marine. I got out in the early 2000s, served overseas, and I made this sign. Or I made the shirt. Brian made the awesome sign. I made the shirt that says "the few, the proud." Usually the Marines say "the few, the proud." The few, the proud, the Marines. Well, I put "the few, the proud, the homesteaders." I thought it was pretty cool. It's been a really good selling T-shirt on my. I support veterans, keeping it Dutch. My YouTube channel, Kid, keeping it Dutch. You all know that. But this sign is awesome. Solid. This is going in the new house for sure. But I want to give him a shout out. You guys, he's trying to build his channel up. To get, at least he's wanting to get 1,000 subscribers. He's right. I just looked a little bit ago. He's at 435, somewhere around there. And you guys always shown your support on channel shoutouts that I give. And please show some support for Brian and this new channel. He's making signs. And at first, whenever Daniel told me about him and showed me the videos and stuff, I was like, how can you sit there and watch someone make a sign? So then I watched one. I was like, what the heck? Then I watched another one. Then I watched another one. I was like, this is addicting. It's actually entertaining. Gabby's pouncing on something. You see her back there? That's probably a little field mouse. But it's entertaining. Like it's like relaxing. Sitting there watching his machine build these signs is awesome. So if you guys get a chance, please, I'll put a iCard up right there to him making this awesome sign. You guys go watch it. I mean, I'm telling you, it's relaxing. So please go over there, subscribe to him. Let's help him get to 1,000 subscribers. I know whenever Daniel gave him a shout out for his sign several weeks back, I think like 300 people went over there and subbed, and that's awesome. Let's see if we could beat Daniel's 300 and get 400 or 500. But I need all your help. Please go do that. And like I said, I'll put a little iCard right up there. You guys go over there and check him out and tell him Dutch sent you. Please. All right, guys, let's go out there and let's see if we can find this hole. I got Hadley over here. She's gonna help me find this hole. Now, we were hunting the other day. Where you at, Hadley? Hadley, you want to say hi? Where you go?
Hi.
Hadley, you're the big doe slayer. Everyone's watching your video. That video of Hadley killing her doe has like 230,000 views. How awesome is that, Hadley?
Good.
They all said you did an awesome job, and you did. You did a great job. I love you. We usually have deer out here, but I don't see none right now. But there's a big hole out here I need to find to show y'all, because I'm definitely going to set a trap up in front of it and see if I can catch something in it. If I can find it. We're gonna look for it for a second.
Over there, because one time we had a trampoline. Now it's broken from.
Look for that hole, Hadley. There's a hole somewhere. Don't fall in it. We found it. What is it, Gabby? What is it? Gabby, what is that? Get it, Gabby, get it. Gabby. Careful. Yeah? What is it? I don't want to stick my hand in there, 'cause there's something in there. Gabby smells it. She found it. Good job, Gabby. Lily, don't you go in there. What do you guys think's in there? Gabby, Lily, no. What kind of creature do you think's living in there? Lily, you see it?
Yeah.
What do you think's living in there?
Probably
Don't get in there. Could be a skunk or possum. I don't know.
I think
Armadillo.
a possum.
You think a possum lives in there?
Yeah.
We're gonna set a trap up sometime. You want me to teach you how to put a trap up?
Yeah.
Okay. Gabby, what is it? Gabby, get in there. Get in there, Gabby. Get in there.
Can Lily go in there?
No, she won't get it. What is she getting?
I think right here.
Yeah?
I think right here. Right here.
That's where it goes?
Yeah, and it's sweet.
Lily, you better not go in there. Alright, we found it. I know right where it's at. It's lined up with that tree, so we won't lose it next time. Good job, Gabby. What'd you find, Gabby? I don't know what it is.
Can I go get the flashlight?
No, we'll put a trap up. Yeah. So what is that? What kind of creature is living in there? What do y'all think? Leave a comment down below. But yeah, we got a lot going on. The house is on its final stages of being complete. I mean, we're right there. The paint's getting done right now.
I can't like it.
Yeah, you're fast. She's super fast until she falls. Don't fall, sis. But the house is getting painted right now. They've already stained. They've done a lot of staining in there, and all the woodwork looks awesome. If you guys want to see pictures of all that, go check out my Instagram, Keeping It Dutch with 2 H's. I post a lot of pictures on there that you may not see on YouTube, or you'll see it before my videos. Like I said, I'm just so busy with work right now. It's so hard to get videos made. So you can see I'm already losing daylight because I got like 15 minutes to make a video. Look at this. That's all them two do is just play, play, play. Come here, let me see. Is that a cool sign?
Yeah.
He did a great job. That's awesome. You want to take it up to the house for us?
Yeah.
Put it back in that box first. What'd you find, Gabby? What'd you find? What are you ladies doing in there? What are you ladies doing? You got any eggs for us today? Oh, I don't see none. But yeah, so house is getting there. New goal before Christmas, and it's going to happen for sure. We're right there. Corpor's coming in next week. Electrician, all we're doing is lacking the plumbing and the electricity being hooked up. Besides this paint, and we're ready to go. I'm going to show y'all something real fast. One problem we did run into, and I'll make a separate video on this, is getting our power to our new house, and that's a video by itself. I'm running out of daylight here. But what we're gonna have to do is set some poles. You can see there's where the power starts right now, and we have to bring it right here and bring it all the way across around the raised beds into the house. But I'll talk about that in another video, because I had some unexpected expenses that I wasn't prepared for, but we had to pinch and make room in the budget for it. Gotta have electricity, I guess. We don't have to, but a brand new house like that, we need some electricity. But everything's coming together at the house, and we cannot wait to get in. Okay, you can go check for eggs. Hallie's gonna check for eggs. So I don't know. I try to get home to make this video before it got too dark and not too bad. So let's see if there's any eggs. See if there's any in there. What you doing, ladies? We just have 3 laying hens right now. Right there, Hadley.
There's only 2.
There's 2. That's good. Come on. Watch your head.
One time there was a bee in here.
A bee?
Yeah.
We like bees. We have beehives, don't we?
Yeah. It comes over here.
Well, we got 2 eggs. What's it actually? Three hens, 2 eggs during the winter. That's actually pretty dang good that they're still laying. That's good. We've had a couple warm days, so that's really good. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had to get one out for y'all. Please go subscribe to Brian and Smokey CNC Woodworks. I think you guys are really gonna like it. I mean, I'm telling you, I thought it wouldn't be my thing until I watched it, and I watched another one. I mean, I'm telling you, it's very entertaining, very relaxing. Thanks, sis. So yeah, maybe in the next video it'll be me and Hadley setting a trap to catch whatever kind of creatures in there. I don't know. But thanks so much. Hadley, you want to say anything? Tell them thank you for watching your video.
Thank you for watching my video. I'm super excited that I catch a deer.
She's super excited she can catch a deer. So awesome. I just love raising the kids like this. They're self-reliant. Even at you instill it in an early age. That way they grow up with it. You don't try to. It's kind of one of them things. If I wait till they're 16, 17-year-old and try to instill this in them, it ain't gonna happen. You got to do it when they're young, and indoctrinate them or whatever you want to call it. You got to instill this when they're young. That way they grow up doing it, and it's just their way of life, their way of thinking. And that's what I do with my daughters. Just trying to teach them to be self-reliant and not count on other people to provide for them when they get older. Obviously, they're children right now. Their parents. That's what my job is, to provide for them, and their mom's job. But when they go out on their own, it's going to be their job to provide for themselves. And it's so awesome that we're able to do that on our little hobby farm, homestead, whatever you want to call it. We got the raised beds back there. If you guys are new to my channel, we got a lot going on. We raise all our own meat. We raise beef, chickens, pigs, pork. We have sheep, and we have a small garden that we started last year and did really well. So the next spring, we're really looking forward to that. So if you guys like what you're seeing and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget, like always, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.